Hi, I'm Sham Kumar from ADF department, and let's explain about our mini project introduction: AI-driven fraud detection for safer finance. Real-time fraud detection identifies fake advisors, manipulated market signals, and deep scams instantly. And AI uses machine learning and NLP to detect anomalies across websites, news, and social medias. Investor protection platform delivers verified insights and fraud alerts through a secure cloud-based dashboard. The statement of the problem: the rise of digital finance has increased investor vulnerability to online fraud, deepfakes, and market manipulation. Growing scams: fake advisors, Ponzi schemes, and fraudulent apps exploit investors through social media and websites. Market manipulation: deepfake videos, fake news distort stock prices, harming market stability. Trust: repeated fraud incidents erode investor confidence and slow fintech adoption. Purpose of these products: why AI-powered fraud detection? Because the purpose of AI fraud detection and investor protection tool is to leverage machine learning and AI techniques to develop an automated system uses AI and machine learning to identify scams and fraudulent activities, detects deepfake content and manipulative market signal in real time, enhance investor security, improves detection efficiency, restores trust in fintech. Proposed methodology for AI fraud detection and investor detection tool: data collection, data pre-processing, AI model development, dashboard and mobile app development, integration and testing, deployment and maintenance. The results and implication: project impact: high accuracy in detecting fraudulent finance activities and scams, real-time alerts and monitoring for investor and regulator, enhanced trust and confidence in digital financial platforms, reduced financial losses due to fraud and market manipulation, improved efficiency in identifying and mitigating emerging threats in fintech. The functional requirements are user feedback learning, customer alerts, history log tracking, offline analysis, integration with messaging apps. Non-functional requirements: performance, fast detection and real-time alerts for phishing links and deepfake content. Accuracy: high precision in identifying fraudulent websites, scams and manipulated media. Scalability: ability to handle growing numbers of users, large volumes of financial data, continuous streaming from multiple platforms, and security. Ensure end-to-end data encryption, secure user authentication, and protection of sensitive user information. At last, maintainability: easy updates of AI rules and authentication system features without disturbing user maintenance experience. The SGD goals of our project is decent work and economical growth, industry innovation infrastructure, reduced inequalities, peace, justice, strong institutions, partnership for the goals. This is our demo of our project. Let's start. The project objectives are to analyze transaction in real time, to analyze transaction for each transaction, to classify transactions as safe, review or fraud risk, to provide a user-friendly dashboard for monitoring transactions. The technologies used here are front-end modern UI dashboard design in back-end API-based architecture, machine learning model for fraud detection, rule-based failback system in ML backbend is not available. Okay, now let me explain the application flow of login page. This is the login page and sign up page of Fraudulent AI. New users can sign up and first registered user become the admin. Existing user can log in user with email and password. Once logged in, the user will directed to the dashboard. Now we can log in into the site, and you should enter your email ID, enter the your password, and create account. Your account is being created. So you can view the many projects here. This next the transaction log page. Here all past transactions are listed with details such as date and time, transaction amount, transaction type, location, and risk. For example, a high value transaction with 75% risk score is marked as review. A low risk transaction with 12% risk is marked as safe. Users can also search and filter transactions easily. Okay, here we can. This is the new transaction scan page, which is the core feature of my project. The user enters transaction amount here, location, transaction type, and day time of the day. Analyze transaction. After clicking the Analyze transaction, the data is sent to ML backend, which calculates the fraud risk score. Based on the result, the transaction is classified as safe, needs review, and high risk. This allows real-time fraud analysis because transaction approval. Risk insights. The system also provides risk insights helping user understanding. The system also provides the why a risk is when what factors increase the risk score, they improves transparency and a trusting a decisions. Okay. Transaction types and locations where the transaction have been done. Next to the settings page. In setting bar, here can users can update the display name, view the registered email ID, configure the ML banking endpoint. If ML backend is not enabled, the system automatically switches to rule-based analysis. Okay. Advantages of Fraud Guard AI. The key feature of the my project are real-time fraud detection, AI-powered risk scoring, user-friendly dashboard, fast decision making, scalable enterprise use. Future In the future, the system can enhance by adding the real-time alerts via emails or SMS, supporting more transaction features, using advanced deep learning methods, and integrating with real banking system.